Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. Thank you. What about you?
I'm great. Thank you. Thank you for asking. So, Shabuddin, right? Am I saying that right?
Yes, sir.
All
All
right.
right.
Do you want me to call you by Shabuddin or do you have a pet name or something?
Yeah, you can call me Shahabuddin. Even I have also pet name like Samir. People are calling me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Samir, what is the origin of that pet name? I want to know. I'm curious.
Like if I talk about Samir, first thing my name is Shahabuddin. This is original my name. So it's big name. We can say like if I tell a spelling, it's a huge of like it's big one. 12 later.
Yes.
So well, when I was child, so that moment I was thinking like people could not able to, speak my proper name. So I kept myself like Samir. Yeah.
Okay. Is it from that movie Samir Hawa Ka Jhokka?
Yeah.
Is it inspired by that movie?
Yeah. Actually, I didn't watch, but I can say Samir means Habaka Joka, like, right.
But it's a quite famous dialogue, so you understood, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Great. So, Shabuddin, tell me, firstly, I want to ask you, are you here to improve on an accent?
No, actually, I want to learn an English language. I do not concentrate accent. Yeah.
Okay, you're not focused on the accent.
Yes.
Great. Okay. Now, just by starting off, I want to know, do you want me to correct you or do you want to just have a conversation?
No, please correct me when I, do error and mistake. So please interrupt me. Please correct me. Then I will get the answer. I will, some understand like what's my weakness point.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
When I make a mistake, we don't do mistakes, we make
Okay.
mistakes.
Okay. When I make mistake. Yes.
Yes, mistakes, plural. Now, this is one correction I
Mhm.
need to give you first is you're using words in the singular form.
Mhm.
Please correct me when I make mistakes,
Okay.
plural, because when you say please correct me when I make a mistake, that means correct me just once,
Yeah. One
right?
mistake. Yes. Right.
Yes. Okay. One more thing, when you were talking about your pet name, you said, Shabuddin is my official or like my legal name, and it
Mhm.
has 12 letter.
Yes. It has 12 letters. Yeah.
Yes, perfect. So now you know the rules. You just have to say it
Yes.
properly. Okay. So
Yes.
slow down your speech a little bit, slow it down so that you
Mhm.
have time to correct yourself.
Mhm. Okay.
All right, perfect. So today we're going to talk about shopping.
Okay.
So
Shopping.
I think, in my opinion, there are two types of guys. Okay.
Mhm.
One who hates shopping and only do it when it's necessary. Okay.
Mhm.
I am in that category. And second, who love shopping, who
Mhm.
cannot wait to spend money and go out and buy new shoes, or buy a watch and buy a
Mhm.
belt. So which category are you in?
I love to do shop.
I
Yeah.
love shopping.
I love shopping. I love shopping. Yes.
Yeah. So shopping is an action. Sorry. Shopping is an action word. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So we don't say, I will do wake up.
Mhm.
Waking up is the
Okay.
action.
Action.
I will do cycling. I will
Mhm.
cycle.
I
I
will
will
say.
swim. Swimming, cycling, running, these are all action words. So we don't need to add do before that.
Okay.
Okay. So mistakes is not an action word, right?
Mhm.
So we
Yeah.
don't,
Right.
then we say I am making mistakes. Okay. So don't
Okay.
say I'm doing, I think I forgot what word you use. I shopping.
Shopping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So say I love shopping.
I love shopping. Okay.
Perfect. Great. So, Shabuddin, tell me first, what is your favorite item to shop for? Even if it's window shopping, it's okay.
Yes. Yes. I can say like if I get a chance to do a shop. Okay. So I will. I
Chance.
love to shop. I love to shop.
Yes.
If I get a chance, I love to shop. Then I will buy clothes and like shoes and jeans, something. This is my favorite things we can say.
These
And
are my favorite things.
these are my favorites. Yeah.
Great.
And
Okay.
I love to wonder shopping. I'm a wonder customer, we can say. The one
Window.
thing, window.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you trying to say a person who just looks at things and doesn't buy them?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So that is called, I'll type it right now. Window shopping. This is what
Window.
all of us do online. You know, when you go to
Yes.
Flipkart, Amazon, we'll just look through products to see what deals are there, even when we don't want to buy something. Right?
Yeah.
That's called
Right.
window shopping. See, that term comes from malls. You know how in
Mhm.
malls, we go past stores and be like, wow, that suit is so good. You know, it's so
Mhm.
well made. Or we look at a
Mhm.
phone and we're like, oh my God, the new iPhone is so good. That's
Yes.
window. We look at it through a window, but we don't buy it.
Okay. Oh, I
So
see.
window shopping, that means we just look at it, we don't buy it.
Okay.
Okay.
Window shopping. Yeah.
Yes. So you
So
can
I
say
do
I am a window shopper.
okay. I'm a window shopper. Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
All right.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Please tell
Mhm.
me if I'm correcting you too much. Please tell me if you don't understand something. Okay.
Yeah, I'm understanding, sir. I'm understanding. Yes.
I'm very happy to see how excited you are. I'm also
Okay.
you're raising my energy level also.
Yeah.
Great. All right, shopping. Yeah. So what about watches? What about expensive things? Watches, phones. Um, I wouldn't say people shop for cars. Car is something we buy once in five,
It's
10
very
years.
expensive. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it's too expensive, true. But what about the smaller things like phones, watches? What are your
Yeah, if we
views on
talk
shopping
about-
for that?
yes, so like cell phones. So I love to, I love to shop cell phone. If I talk about 9R, OnePlus 9R, this is my favorite cell phone. So I'm planning to, buy, not in this month, but next year I will buy. So
Hopefully
in
next
this
year
day,
I'll get it.
yeah, in next year I'll get. And in this day, I'm doing a window shopping on online. Yeah.
Well, technically it's not window shopping, it's research,
Okay,
right?
research. Okay,
Right?
I'm
Because
researching
yes,
about.
because you are planning to buy, so it's not window shopping.
Okay.
Window shopping, like it's like when you drive past an Audi or a Lamborghini showroom, then it's only
Mhm.
window shopping. We're not planning to buy, we're not doing research. So this can technically
Right.
count as research, not window shopping. That's good.
Okay.
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 What else? What questions do you have for me about shopping?
If I talk about shopping, see lots of customer first thing. If I talk about, yeah, which way it's good for us, like about online and offline.
Mhm.
You know, so lots of people believe that online. Lots of people believe that online and offline, we can say.
Believe
So if
in
I
online and believe in offline.
yeah, believe in offline. So
Yeah.
if I talk about offline and online, so online procedure, what happen when we buy any product? So that moment, if we get wrong product, so it's very difficult to return and exchange because it will take a time like 2 days, 3 days.
It will
And
take some
same,
time.
yeah, same position if we buy offline through, so easily we can access, easily we can go presently and mentally like, sir, ma'am, I got a wrong product, it's damaged something, so immediately quickly we can exchange.
Yes.
So what about your side, like, which way we prefer most of time?
Which way do I, which one do I prefer?
Yeah.
Hmm. So my wife is, she loves online shopping. Okay.
Mhm.
And for
Okay.
me, I am a little traditional like that. So
Okay.
what I'll do is I'm a mixture of both. I like both, but only
Mhm.
for certain things. So when it comes
Mhm.
to online shopping, I'll buy my phones,
Okay.
headphones, chargers, like
Mhm.
electronics online, because I know there's no point in me going, because all the
Okay.
products are the same. They're all
Yes.
branded, right? It's not like I can explore brands. But when it comes to
Mhm.
clothes, shoes, then I like going offline because I love, trying them on, or at least looking at them, because then I can see,
Yeah.
this t-shirt is a little tight on the collar, or it's a little
Yeah.
tight on my bicep, so I don't want to
Mhm.
get this. Oh, this one is a more relaxed fit, right? It's a little relaxed. You know how people have tight fit clothes, like I guess Salman Khan, John Abraham, they love wearing tight fit clothes, right?
Yes.
If you look at Amir Khan, not in the movies, outside the movies, Amir Khan,
Mhm.
even though he has a good body, he wears a relaxed fit. He doesn't like to show off his body too much, right? So
Right.
I'm more of a relaxed fit kind of person. So I have different things, like online I'll do this, offline I'll do this. Obviously,
Okay.
even when it comes to food, now food is also part of shopping nowadays after the pandemic, right? because
Yes,
we
yes, right.
Swiggy, we Zomato, we have Uber Eats, we have so many options, right? So
Yeah.
food is also something that I like to buy online, because for me to travel to go to a place and eat it, it's not that great. But there are some things that are very bad. There are some food items that taste really
Mhm.
bad when you call for it, like something like a dosa. A dosa is something you want to eat fresh. French fries,
Mhm.
right? These things you want to go there and eat so that they're fresh and we enjoy it.
Mhm. Right, right, right. We can say. So you prefer, most of time you prefer to online, because we can save a time and we can save a money also. Like in online procedure, we can get a like discount something.
Yes, good
Am
deals.
I right?
That's true. Yes.
Yeah.
The reason
Yeah.
I
Good to
buy
know. Right.
online is only because I know that brand. So in a phone, right, there are only
Mhm.
10 or 12 brands in India. Main ones.
Mhm.
Obviously, there are 50
Yes.
smaller brands also. But I'm not going to choose from a smaller brand, from some Chinese
Mhm.
brand, for some Indian newcomer, unless they are really famous. So either you'll buy a OnePlus. Now for OnePlus, okay, let's say you need to buy a OnePlus 9S, right?
R 9R.
9R. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's say you need to buy a OnePlus 9R. Now it doesn't matter whether you go offline or online, because the phone is going to be the same.
Yes.
The
Yes.
best thing you're going to look at, or your priority, is getting the best deal or the best offer.
Right.
So that is
Right.
why when it comes to branded things, and I don't buy expensive phones. I have a Xiaomi phone.
Okay.
I really like, these headphones are also from Xiaomi. It's $200, but I still call them online only, because for 200 rupee product, I don't want to go to the market, argue and
Yes.
bargain with the guy. It's like, how much will I save? I'll say 50 rupees. It's not that.
Right.
So when it comes to deals,
Mhm.
what is your hack? What advice would you like to give me to get better deals?
Like better deals means, suppose if we believe that Amazon and if we compare, Amazon and like Flipkart.
Mhm.
So in here, like Amazon always give a right product, we can say. But if we talk about Flipkart, over there sometimes we get a wrong product and some cheapest quality like that. So when we do a shop,
When we
when we
compare.
yeah, when we compare, when we prefer to, so always believe the brand, like which way I'm going, like right and wrong. Because sometimes what happen, if you get a if you deliver wrong product, so your reputational will low, so you feel to irritate, then you will never do this thing, like I will never going to shop in that platform, we can say. So always think about right. And over there also, like money exchange, if I talk about like cash price, sometimes we pay to Google and something. So
Mhm.
over there also, like some kind of trouble we get, you know so
Face
we
some
have
trouble.
to. Yeah.
We face some trouble.
Okay, we face some trouble over there, really.
Yeah.
So this thing we have to understand, then we can go. First
Yes,
thing
we
we
have to
have to follow.
compare, and we have to
Mhm.
choose what risk we want to take. Do we want to
Okay.
pay a little extra and get good quality from a trustworthy brand? Or do we
Mhm.
want to get the cheap deal, but also we will be more open to fraud or getting the incorrect product or a defective product, right? I think this is
Mhm.
what the comparison is between Amazon and Flipkart.
Mhm.
Because Flipkart,
Yeah,
you
right.
might you might get the same product for maybe 1,000 rupees less, but you're a
Mhm.
little scared. You're like, oh, I hope it's the correct product. I hope it's not
Yes, yes.
defective, right?
Right, right, right.
Yeah.
So that's the
So
reason. Yeah. Tell.
great. One correction again. When you were talking about Flipkart, you said
Mhm.
that firstly, your pronunciation of Flipkart sounds like Flipkart.
Flipkart. So yeah, right.
FL, Fl. Okay.
Flip.
Yeah.
Flipkart.
Flipkart. Yes, perfect. Please go back to, please go back on this recording and look on the 12th minute or something. That is where you use
Okay.
Flipkart a lot. Okay, just to
Mhm.
compare.
Okay.
Great. You said when Flipkart, when a client, when a customer gets the
Mhm.
incorrect product, you will irritate. That's what you said. Okay.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
And reputation will go low. Now, the correct way to say that sentence is, when you receive a defective product or when you receive the incorrect product, a consumer will get irritated or they will be disappointed with the brand, with Flipkart,
Okay.
right?
Mhm.
And and their reputation will drop, or they will they won't the customer won't see Flipkart as a trustworthy brand. Trust is very important in online shopping.
Yes.
Because then if I
Right.
lost even 50 rupees, it doesn't matter if I'm spending 10,000 rupees online. If I lose
Yeah.
50 rupees also, I will never buy from that company again. And I will
Right.
tell all my friends, listen, don't buy from there. I don't trust that company. Right?
Yeah.
So it's very, very important when it comes to online shopping. And you are absolutely right about everything you said.
Okay.
Okay.
So, sir, I have one question. Please
Sure.
clarify me. How do I improve my pronunciation if I talk about sometime, what happened? I face a lots of problem. If I tell you one word like amendment, amendment, I don't know how to I'm speaking. I mean,
Amendment.
amendment. So
Yes.
how do I work my pronunciation? What should I do?
You do need to work on your pronunciation a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
But first, I would like to tell you there are issues that you need to solve first. Okay. So your foundation is more important. Think about this as a car. Okay.
Okay.
So you're saying, I want my paint to look shiny.
Okay.
But I'm saying you need to work on your tires so the car can run properly. So the tires are
Oh,
more
I see.
important than the paint first, right?
Right.
Right. So what I'm trying to say is sometimes your sentences are mixed up. Okay. So if instead of saying I am a window shopper, sometimes you
Okay.
say window shopper, I am. This is a very random example. You did not say this, but I'm just giving you an example where
Yes.
if the
Yes.
sentence is 1, 2, 3, sometimes it will be 3, 1, 2.
312. Right. Right.
Right.
It's happened.
So yes. See again, it happens.
It happened. Happens.
Happens. Yes. It. Now in this situation, it is the problem that we're discussing.
Okay.
It happens a lot.
It happens a lot.
Yes. So
Yes. Yes.
it's when you say it's, it means it is happen, which is
Yeah.
incorrect.
Incorrect.
Yeah.
Right. Right.
Okay. See now these small things we need to fix first. Then
Okay.
pronunciation comes into the picture.
Mhm.
Okay. So what I would advise you is obviously as you take sessions on Clappingo, your speakers will give you grammatical corrections. I already told you singular plural is important for you.
Okay.
Right. Sometimes sentence formation is important for you. How you say something, what you say. Your content, your ideas are good. They're great. You don't need to work on that. Okay. So what you're trying to say is very nice. Your ideas are very nice. Okay. Now we just need to understand how to say it to the person.
Okay.
Right. So
Yeah.
focus on that. Make sure you have lots of English things around you, like shows, music. Even when you're on YouTube, try watching English creators. Let's say you want to
Okay.
watch a cooking show or you want to watch a dance show that is in India. Try watching a dance show that is in America. That way you
Okay.
will see the dance performances, you will see something similar, but in English.
Okay.
Right.
Like
So
podcast,
yes.
how speaking about pronunciation. Okay.
Yes. So in that, what will happen is your brain will get used to saying the correct things.